How to remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify website. So the thing that I'm talking about is down here. If you scroll down onto the footer of your website, you'll see this, My Store Powered by Shopify. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First off, we'd want to exit. And then on your admin dashboard here, make sure you go to Online Store and then Themes. On Themes, you'd want to check on these three dots. And then you'd want to press on Edit Default Theme Content. And on this dashboard here, go on to the search for up top, filter items, and then just type in Powered. Press enter. And then you'll see in the section here, Powered by Shopify. Delete this, and then just type in a single space. Make sure to save. And this will delete it, and it'll just put it as blank. Let's check. Go back to customize. And if we scroll down, as you can see, the Powered by Shopify is now gone.